Yo, what's going on, everybody? Chance Ghanem here, and welcome to the new Forex morning show. I'm excited to do this morning show. What I'm going to be doing on this show is just doing a simple breakdown of what I'm looking at for my chart markups. I'm going to be talking about what's going on in the news today, and then on top of that, I'm going to talk other Forex stuff, IML stuff, all kinds of good stuff. But be prepared if you're just getting this link through swipe trades. Fast forward a little bit to we're on the charts, because what that means is I sent out one of these trade setups I'm going to be talking about in just a couple minutes. So with that being said, I am going to talk to you guys just a little bit about a few things I'm seeing here today. And the first thing is actually not really trading related. I have no affiliation with TradingView, but I do want to mention, this popped up on my screen when I logged in today. Having this discount is probably not a bad idea. If you were already considering or thinking about rolling with TradingView and getting the full package, and paying for the upgrade, because then you get the unlimited, or not unlimited, but you get like 30 alerts and all that other good stuff. This is actually a really good deal. This is cheaper than what I paid. I paid like the sale before was like $210 for a year, and I paid $210 for the year of this version, and now it's down here at $180. So, you know, that's just something I do want to say. This is a good price if you are thinking about hitting and getting this for the year. It is worth your money. You don't need to get the premium, not that important. This, the Pro Plus, is the version that I would suggest for any like new traders or you know, just anybody really in the trading realm. It's all you really need. But guys, with that being said, I'm going to hop over here. One more thing before we hop on the charts. I want to go over the news on forexfactory.com. Guys, forexfactory.com, if you don't know, this is the news website. This is where all the news is going to be dropped. So I just want to let you guys see right here. Today we have nothing going into the New York session, no news, but tonight during the Asian session there will be news to watch out for. If you're trading London session tomorrow, London session, right there, you got that 5 a.m. GBP news. So that's all we really got to worry about. It is Thanksgiving right here. This is Thanksgiving in the U.S. That's a big U.S. holiday. So New York session will probably be really slow on Thursday because of Thanksgiving. Besides that, every other session is not really affected. Some JPY bank holiday too, so maybe a little slow Asian session. If you trade London session, it shouldn't be affected very much. And then, guys, you know, moving throughout the week, we'll have the show every single morning, so we'll talk about the news as it comes along. But guys, let's head over to the charts. Like I said, I hit TradingView, and this is the first thing that popped up. So let me hop over to my charts, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm looking for and these setups. And these are going to be the setups that I will be looking for and calling on swipe trades as well. So be prepared for that. And let's get this thing loaded up here. So I'm switching my three pairs. If you're a regular and you're watching this, I'm watching Euro USD, CAD CHF, and AUD JPY. I'm watching a few different pairs. AUD JPY, with my back testing, I found out it does make moves in the New York session, about 30 to 50 pips. I'm gonna start looking for the smaller moves on these charts, just so that we can get you know, more consistency. And on the swipe trade side, so the trades that I'm going to be calling for swipe trades, I want to make sure everybody can get in. On a lot of these fast moving pairs like Euro NZD and GBP CAD, it's not allowing everyone to get in on my tight entries. So I want to use, I'm going to switch over to slower moving pairs so we can get, you know, hopefully better results on the customer side of being able to take these trades. Guys, Euro USD, I mean, this is textbook break retest on my harmonic pitchfork right here. You can see this pitchfork's been played with, got a couple perfect touches here, played with you, took the drop right there. So if somebody was trading this during London session, there's a possibility off that pitchfork to grab 20 pips, which wasn't bad at all. But I did not like this sell because of the strong uptrend, and I didn't trade London either way. But you guys can see the trend is up right here, and moving into the New York session, what I'm going to be looking for is a buy off this level. Now I'm on the 15-minute. I'm going to pull up Steve Gregor's indicator right here. And guys, let me shut this one off, because this is the advanced one as well. I'm going to shut this off. So this is the one that everybody has access to. If you guys don't know about this indicator, make sure you're on Steve Gregor's session tonight. Tonight's session. And if you're on tonight's session, 6 p.m. Eastern time, you are going to learn all about this indicator. So trust me, trust me, trust me. You're going to want to be there. This is very, very, very powerful. So really, guys, what I'm looking for, I do like the buy on Euro right here on Euro USD. Let me see here. There we go. It's clicking over there. All right. So what I'm looking for here, guys, is just for it to pull down. Let me check quarter theory. That's the one thing I don't think I have marked up here yet. Yeah. So the quarter theory is right here. And I like that zone. You can see the price is like that zone as well. Get it perfect on the zeros. And I'm watching this down here, guys. Honestly, I'm taking the buy either off this pitchfork touch, if it gives me a perfect touch off that pitchfork, and this pulls back, and this flips to green. I'm looking for the buy off this green level or off this orange level. Now, if momentum keeps just breaking this straight down, I will look for a break retest in here for a sell position. Possibly, just depends how the market plays out. But I'm keeping my eyes out here looking for the buy heading into the New York session. But again, guys, stay tuned. Watch that indicator closely and make sure it makes a pullback and gives you the green. You want the green is what's going to signify that, yes, it is time to buy this pair. All right, guys, so my next pair is AUD-JPY. We're going to click over here. And on AUD-JPY, you can see we got the harmonic pitchforks here. And this is a super old pitchfork, guys. So if you ain't using pitchforks, trust me, you got to get on them because look at this. Look at this. This is from a harmonic pitchfork from all the way back October 10th. And look at how it still played off that pitchfork to a T. I mean, guys, come on. You can't make this stuff up. Look at this touch. Look at this touch from the October 10th harmonic pitchfork. That's why you need to keep harmonics on your charts and the pitchforks because they go out forever. That could have got you an extra 30 pips. Now, on AUD-JPY going into this session, I'm looking, I don't like really a lot on this. Maybe if it gives us a full pullback, I don't like the buy. I don't like the buy. So that's one thing with this indicator. You can't go solely off like it says buy right now. I don't like to buy because the momentum's down. It's in a downtrend and it's not at any of my key levels. So I might look for a buy setup around this level here. What's going on? All right. I'll be looking for a buy setup down here, maybe off this level or off this quarter theory level or even off the bottom of this pitchfork. We'll just see if it kind of finds a bottom here and this indicator down here says to buy, I'll look for it. But the only other way I would sell it is if it made a pullback and it started making that move there. But I'll be honest, guys, I'm not a huge fan of AUD-JPY. If it does make one of these moves and gets down to this level, or this level, all good. But the one fear with AUD-JPY not going into its major session is sometimes it could just lull out and just go to sleep in here. So if it does that, we won't call a trade. But if it does make one of those moves we're looking for, be ready to take that trade. CAD CHF coming next. These are my three currency pairs. Man, that thing fell perfectly off this pitchfork. I am very sad. I almost called this last week, but it did not work out. That thing just took off. It took off. By the time I had it typed out, it was right here. And, man, it just kept dropping. So, you know, whatever. Next trade. What we're looking for on here, guys, I mean, check this pitchfork out. This is just the best fit pitchfork that I drew. Right here, just caught a high to low, and I found a spot with a lot of touches. It's got a little bit of breakthrough there, and I know that's not always the best, but it's got a lot more confirmation on all these other levels as well. And with a 10-pip stop loss, definitely gives me room as long as I'm using this indicator to when to get in. Because again, guys, look, we could have caught the sell here, the buy over here. It's just one of those things where once you have this indicator and you learn how to use it, it adds to your trading strategy a lot. So with that being said, I do want to take note of it's bouncing off of a quarter theory level right here. Nope, just kidding. A little lower. All right, right there. So it's coming up to the quarter theory level. And then it's got this pitchfork here. So guys, I'm honestly, my best trade setup on this would look something like this. Come up here for this, hit there, and then we'll enter for the sell. Let this thing climb all the way up to here, hit us with a sell, and then we'll take that sell position off that level. Possibly could see a buy coming up off that quarter theory level with a strong downward momentum. I wouldn't like to just buy it off the quarter theory level unless this gave me confirmation or maybe a harmonic scan printed or something on it. I would need a little bit more than just quarter theory to take this buy with the strong downward momentum of these charts. Now, guys, I'm going to show you real quick Sam's pairs because she's going to be trading as well, and we might be calling these out on swipes as well. So I just kind of want you to see what she's looking for. Guys, you can see this channel. We talked about this on IML TV. It got stuck in this channel here. It's right back in that same channel. So watch this, guys. This is how pitchforks work. It's the same thing over and over and over again. All we're waiting for here is one of these moves here, the break retest to one of the sides. That's probably like the primary move we'd like to see, just because this channel is one of those like lull, fall to sleep channels. So either that, we want to break retest to one side, or possibly if we get this to confirm with it, we could look for a sell position up off this level right here. And look for the sell if we get this thing to come all the way back up to here and give us that sell. Or if this pushes down and gives us a good clean bounce off of this level, kind of like it did here, we'll look for maybe a buy position in there. But this has to come all the way down and confirm because, again, the downward momentum is favored. So that's why looking for that sell position would be the best position to get into the trade. And all right, guys, last one would be G-Chef. Now, guys, you know the GBPs are in crazy wild movements, and this thing has just dropped. So it dropped all the way out of our zone. So we're going to remark this up and probably not trade it much, guys. Just be aware we probably won't be trading much GBP because of Brexit talks and everything going on with Brexit, and it's kind of got the GBP doing some crazy wild things. So we're not looking to trade it primarily too much, so I'm not going to get too deep into this chart, but be aware we will also be looking for fresh harmonic scans. Anything coming from the harmonic scanner we will be looking for entries. Stay tuned to your Swipe Trades app for that. And guys, if you want to get plugged in totally with this, we're going to have an afterwards call. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will have the afterwards, after we're done trading this session, we'll put up a post session, show what the charts did, where we called swipe trades, why we called swipe trades, all that good stuff through this training. So make sure you get subscribed there, and also check out our Facebook Messenger list. Guys, if you get plugged into our Facebook Messenger list, we'll put the link in the description. That will get you plugged in so you can instantly get these. We'll send these to your Facebook DMs instantly while they're uploaded. So before you hit the New York session or while you hit the New York session, you can be listening to this so you are prepared to trade. And again, guys, if you have your Swipe Trades app, keep it closed for the next 4 hours. Me and Sam are on the charts, and we're ready to call trades. We'll see you on the other side of the markets. Have a great day. If you're not trading this morning, all good. Just make sure when you have your money making hour, you get your mindset ready, and everybody else, go out there and crush the New York session. This is our session to dominate. Let's go get it.